If China is angry at the United States for imposing an extra 10% tariff on all Chinese goods, it is doing a good job of hiding it. Both Canada and Mexico vowed to retaliate, and Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said his country will not back down, as he announced a 25% levy on more than $100 billion, 81 billion of American goods. US President Donald Trump then agreed to temporarily put tariffs on goods imported from both countries after reaching separate agreements with them. The tariffs on China, however, are slated to go into effect on Tuesday. So far, Beijing has held its fire. This isn't to say that the announcement will not sting. It will, especially because the 10% levy adds to a slew of tariffs he imposed in his first term on tens of billions of dollars of goods. And the Chinese government's muted response is partly because it doesn't want to worry its population, when many are already concerned about the sluggish economy. But that economy is not as reliant on the US as it was back then. Beijing has strengthened its trade agreements across Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia. It is now the largest trading partner of more than 120 countries. China will think that it can probably endure 10%, hence I think Beijing is playing it cool, because if it's not that big a deal, there's no reason to pick a fight with the Trump administration, unless there's a real benefit to Beijing. Trump is sowing division in his own backyard, threatening to hit even the European Union (EU) with tariffs all in his first month in office. His actions may have other US allies wondering what is in store for them. In contrast, China will want to appear a calm, stable, and perhaps more attractive global trade partner. Trump's America First policy will bring challenges and threats to almost all countries in the world, says Yun Sun, director of the China program at the Stimson Center. From the perspective of US-China strategic competition, a deterioration of US leadership and credibility will benefit China. It is unlikely to turn well for China on the bilateral level, but Beijing surely will try to make lemonade. As a leader of the world's second-largest economy, Xi has made no secret of his ambition for China to lead an alternative world order. President Xi's consistent message of win-win globalization takes on a whole new meaning as America retreats from the world.